In this video, you're going to learn how to light your videos. And lighting our videos is very, very important because that way we create a professional image for ourselves. And there is a big difference in how our eye perceives the light compared to how the camera lens perceives the light. So cameras need way more light to produce a good quality image than you might imagine. And the good news is that you don't have to be a professional to get great lighting. Today you're going to learn simple ways that you can light your videos. You can just pick the one that is best for you and start creating a good lighting for your videos. So before we get started, I want you to have in your mind 3 tips. First tip, you need to have enough light. More is better. Tip number 2, you make sure that your face is evenly lit. So same light from the one side and from the other side so that you don't have shadows created on your face. And the third tip is that never sit with your back to the window, because when you sit with your back to the window, then your back is brighter than your front, and that way there are shadows, there is a blurry image, then we certainly don't want that. So the first solution to light your videos is to use natural light. So you sit in front of a window with your web camera, with your camera, your face is equally lit from one and the other side, and this is a very nice natural light to your face. The only problem with that lighting is that if you need to record a video for a long time, let's say you start at 3 o'clock and you end up at 8 o'clock at night, outside is gonna get darker and darker and you will not have an even light to your videos. Or if you want to have a recording, a video, a webinar during the afternoon, then again, there is no sufficient natural light and you would need to use another source of light. Other than that, if you want to create a video in the morning, natural light is free and it has a very good quality. So you can definitely try that. Second option is to use a ring light. The ring light sits just behind the camera and it's evenly, again, lighting your face. There are a lot of price options for ring lights. There are inexpensive ones and more expensive ones. You can choose the one that works best with your budget, but it's a very good solution for video recording. Another solution is to use LED lights, and for that you need 2 LED lights, one on the one side and one on the other side, to make sure that you have even lighting to your face. Another option, which is again inexpensive, is just to use desk lights that you already have available at home. Just make sure that you use 2 of them, again to have even light on both sides of your face. And the last option are the soft boxes. This is an option I've been using to create videos for YouTube. They are a bit bulky, but they have a very nice and soft light. Again, prices vary according to different specifications. You can definitely check out soft boxes on the internet and see and find a solution that best works for you. What I want you to remember from this video is that lighting is very, very important. It can create a much more professional look to our videos, and here you can see a photo of what a good lighting versus a bad lighting image looks like. It's really a pity to do all this work to present yourself, and just not having the right lighting would basically destroy the good quality of your whole experience. So make sure you light your videos the right way. See you in the next video. Bye bye.